The sounds of nature. Alright, so this is Sunday morning. I'm out walking around on the property a little bit, up close around the house. This is the year for the 17-year cicadas to come out. So I'm out here just looking at the property and stuff, and I don't know if the video can pick up the cicadas. We don't have any real close. I think they've already, around the house, have already left this area, but in the distance we can hear the cicadas making their sounds. It's the male cicadas that make the noise and to attract the females. And the females actually make a clicking sound. And the wind's blowing, so I don't know that the camera can pick up the audio of the cicadas. All these downed trees are just a lot of what we have to clean up here. So I noticed all of these holes up here in the ground. When we got here, and I was wondering what they were from. They're little holes all over the place. So I've put some diatomaceous earth on them because I noticed there were some spiders that were coming out of them. But as I have learned, they're actually the holes that the cicadas came out of, the 17-year cicadas. And when they came out, they were climbing on the porch. Yep. We see their exoskeletons all over the ground. They're in the trees. They're all over the place. So we had quite a few to come out here. But the sound that they're making is kind of in the distance. It sounds like it's over on the other side of our property, which is way over on the other side of those trees. There's probably about, on the other side of those trees, there's probably about another 12 or 13 acres over there. And that's where the sounds are coming from. Just thought that was pretty interesting. Standing outside, we can hear the cicadas. They sound like they're getting louder and louder. So I'm going to see if we can pick it up on audio this time. So we are back up on Liberty Hill. These cicadas are really, they're loud. They're like 2 to 3 times louder than they were last weekend. Well, my husband's coming down with an excavator, so we might not be able to hear. So I'm going to be quiet and see if you can hear the sound. Me and Samantha are getting ready to start chipping away some of this debris that's sitting over here and trying to widen our driveway some. We're still sitting on the side by side, and I don't know if you can hear, even with the motor running of the side by side, you can hear the cicadas. I don't know if it'll pick up here, but when I turn the side by side off, you should be able to hear them very clearly. It's very loud out here. There's no peaceful up in these mountains today. Snap your finger. See if it'll. Okay. I'm holding a cicada, a 17-year cicada. Look at his wings. Wow. It doesn't look like it's focusing good. It might not be. Tara, let me hang up with you real quick, okay? I want to take some pictures of it, okay?
Alright.
Alright, bye.
Goodbye.
Oh, it waved. She said it waved. Hey there, little 17-year-old.
He's looking right up at my phone.
Oh, he's waving.
Hi, friend. He's kind of cute. Oh, and there's a honeybee over here, too. Oh, he's looking right at me. Why are you wanting to fight? Its eyes look...
I wonder if we can zoom in at his eyes. 'Cause they're like...
Should I get him off of me?
He's not hurting anything. I can't get it to zoom in. Oh. How come it's not focusing?
I don't know.
Well,
Oh, it kind of tickles. What?
I hope it don't fly up and land on my head.
Alright, I'm ready for him to get off. It tickles.
Ah, that was so funny.
Bye, friend.
Go on, cicada. Go find you a tree.
Or female cicada.
Go find you a tree.
Is he stuck down there?
I
I'm sure
don't
he
think
can
so.
He has wings.
He can fly. Fly, cicada, fly.
That was cool.